Is your TCL TV screen flashing or flickering like a strobe light? Don't worry, because we are going to stop that glitching and save your eyes right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Flickering usually happens because of unstable power delivery. A failing HDMI handshake is another common technical trigger for this screen glitching, or incorrect backlight frequency settings in the software. Let's get your picture stable again with 10 advanced hardware solutions. Step 1. Perform a cold boot power cycle. Unplug your TCL TV from the wall outlet and wait for 2 full minutes. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV for 30 seconds to clear the system cache. Step 2. Disable the dynamic backlight or local dimming feature. Go into your picture settings and turn these off. Sometimes the TV's light sensor struggles with room lighting and causes the screen to pulse. Step 3. Upgrade to a high-quality HDMI 2.1 cable. Cheap or old cables often leak signal, which manifests as a constant flicker. A shielded cable will provide a much more stable data stream. Step 4. Change the refresh rate on your external device. If you are using a gaming console or PC, ensure the output matches 60 Hz. If your device is pushing a signal the TV can't handle, the image will jump and flash. Step 5. Check for dirty power from your outlet. Plug the TV directly into a wall socket instead of a crowded power strip. Other appliances like fans or heaters on the same strip can cause voltage drops that trigger flickering. Step 6. Reseat the internal ribbon cables. If you are out of warranty and comfortable, carefully remove the back panel and ensure the wide LVDS cables are seated tightly. A loose connection here is a primary cause of horizontal flickering. Step 7. Turn off natural cinema or action smoothing modes. These software features try to add extra frames but can glitch out and create a stuttering or flickering effect during fast scenes. Step 8. Reset the picture settings to default. Sometimes a bad combination of brightness and contrast settings creates digital noise. Go to the picture menu and select Reset Picture to start fresh. Step 9. Update your system via a wired connection. If your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is dropping packets, a corrupted background update could be causing the display driver to crash. Use an Ethernet cable to ensure your software is perfect. Step 10. Test the flashlight test for backlight failure. Shine a light at the screen while it is flickering. If the image behind the flicker is stable, your LED backlight strips are failing and may need a hardware replacement. Here is a pro tip for you. If your screen only flickers while using apps, try changing your DNS settings to DNS 8.8.8.8. A faster connection can prevent the buffering glitches that sometimes look like a screen flicker. If you are still facing any difficulty with your display, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you solve it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Stay confident because your tech is in good hands.